If you love nature, if you love drawing and designing, landscape design is absolutely the best job for you.
Landscape designers are the people that dream up the parks, gardens, and yards that you play in. But how do they do it?
First, I need to think about the size of the space. What all can we fit into a space? Secondly, I need to think about how humans are going to use this space. Third, I need to think about the materials we are going to use. And probably most importantly, I need to think about the site conditions. Is it sunny? Is it shady? Is it wet? Is it dry?
You've probably heard your teacher talk about how plants use roots to get water and nutrients from the soil. Well, each plant is a little bit different. Some plants grow well in swamps while others grow well in deserts. Landscape designers combine science and art to make amazing spaces.
Well, every day is different. Some days I may be meeting with clients. Some days I may be measuring a site and taking photos. A lot of days I'm just drawing, and figuring out the best design for a space.
Most landscape designers make between $50,000 and $95,000 a year and work with a team of professionals.
These include superintendents, project managers, foremen, and skilled laborers. There's a lot of people that make a landscape design possible.
Learn more about this and other jobs at jobpop.org.